Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Combat Craig, and this is how to calculate your VA disability rating using the combined ratings table. It's probably going to look something like this. They're all jumbled up, not service connected, 0% service connected. The left side's mixed in with the right side. So we need to get this into a text file and make some sense out of it. Let's go ahead and remove anything that's not service connected because it's not service connected. It's not going to factor into your overall combined rating in any way. So we'll just ditch that stuff. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to organize the bilateral factor stuff, the left side of the body and the right side of the body stuff. So highest to lowest, get everything that says left on it. And then underneath that, get everything that says right on it. So bilateral factors lined up, right? Left side, right side. Once the bilateral factor is calculated in, then you take the disabilities from the highest to the lowest. Once you get everything calculated up, then you're going to end up with a number. You need to round that number up or down. So if you're 0 through 4, you round down to the nearest whole number. If you're 5 through 9, you round up to the nearest whole number. Got our stuff organized on the right, and we're going to jam it into the Hill and Ponton disability calculator over here. So we're going to do the bilaterals first. That's the left stuff and the right stuff. So left deltoid is left arm. That's a 30%er. Then left shoulder, 20%er, also on the left arm. Left wrist, 10%, also on the left arm. Left knee, 10%. So this is going to be left leg, 10%. So left arm, 20, 10, 10, 55%. Now we're going to do the rights. Right shoulder strain, that's going to be right arm, and that's at 20%. If you look down here, bilateral factor has been applied. Right wrist is 10% over here. So that's also right arm, 10%. Bilateral factor of 6.4% has been applied. That's why you do the bilaterals first, or your math's going to get all wonky. All these don't matter because they're 0%. Radiculopathy right leg. So right leg, 10%. That's going to put this at a bilateral factor of 71. Then we go highest to the lowest. PTSD, 70%. Thoracic strain, 20%. And that's going to leave us at 94%, and the bilateral factor of 7.1 has been applied. So your 94%, that's rounded down to 90%. Also, I get 94% when I make these calculations. I see a lot of money left on the table, and I see a relatively safe path for this veteran to go from 94% to 100% and possibly get some special monthly compensation in the process. Of course, you don't do that when you're not protecting yourself. If you are not being seen for every single one of these disabilities, don't file for an increase, because they're just going to decrease something else. It's counterproductive. It's going to piss you off. Before you think about doing an increase and poking the bear, make sure you carry a big stick or a gun or bear spray. I don't use bear spray. All right, I hope that made sense. Remember, the VA pays this money. They're the ones that make these calculations, and they're the ones that have to explain them to you. So if you have questions, call the VA and tell them to explain it to you. I don't understand the bilateral factor. My bilateral factor is this. You know, how come I come up with this and you come up with that? It's the VA that pays you. You need to talk to the VA about money. I know it sucks, and half of the morons that answer the phone suck, but keep calling. Find somebody at the VA that can explain it to you. I'll see you in the next video.